have to say, first impressions are very nice. Very nice entranceway through a desk with a million power points and USBs and lights. Nice chair. Some chocolate strawberries, of course, for Pauline. Can't go on a cruise without chocolate strawberries. Kettle. There's a lamp. Nice couch on this side. How is it, Pauline? Comfortable?
Hard.
It's a bit hard. Okay. And then a nice big bed. Plenty of room around the end. There's the TV. This is 9662, so we've got a nice angled balcony there. I'll just try and open this. Plenty of room here. 2 chairs, little table. View down the side of the ship. Stool under each of the chairs. I can see me doing a lot of relaxing out here. Then from the balcony looking in, a bed, pillows. Just shut the door. Bit of storage beside the bed. Again, one PowerPoint. Curtains here to pull across. Very nice. More storage above the bed. Don't think I put anything too heavy in there. I don't feel like it's falling on my head if we get decent waves. On the other side of the bed, some more storage. Phone, light. Nice big cupboard. Safe, one coat hanger. I hope there's more in the other one. Plenty of storage, and of course the safe. Shut that. 2 big drawers. Plenty of storage there. There's our lamp. Drawers, breakfast menus, tissues, the hairdryer, of course this one will be the mini fridge, yes, front door there, full length mirror, very nice, another cupboard with plenty of hanging space, which has got all our stuff in front of it. Got a few hangers with shoes and small bits. Full length hanging, which is really nice. So Pauline's dresses will fit up there. And now, let's check out the bathroom. Very impressive from the door. Got plenty of shelving there. Some glasses. Nice sink and a full-size bar of soap. That's something I haven't seen before on a cruise. The bin and a beautiful shower. Nice, tall, good size shower with a shower head, handheld, somewhere for soap, shampoo, footrest there. Toilet, of course. I have to say, very impressed with this. This is a standard balcony cabin, midship, deck 9, cabin 9662. As well as being a really comfortable, good sized cabin, this also was in a great location. We were midship and we had nothing but cabins above and below us, meaning it was very quiet. There was only once in the whole 13 days that we heard anyone outside of the cabin. Additionally, we were very close to the lifts, making it very quick to get in and out and around the ship at all times. Really recommend you pay attention and think about your cabin location when booking.